August 28th, 2018, 4:30 p.m., 414 North Railroad, Salisbury, North Carolina. Move out renovations. The outside of the home does need to be pressure washed. Also, all the screens on the outside of the home will need to be replaced. All of them are missing. Grass does not need to be cut. Also, vinyl siding on the bottom of the unit is broke, may need to be replaced. Please check out. Carpets may need to be replaced throughout. It does have multiple stains, may come out. Also, unit does have a smell. Unit will be a large touch-up. Our color, softer tan. Multiple black markings throughout. Hole behind the front door that will need to be patched. Also, door stop at the front door will need to be fixed or replaced. Unit will need to be cleaned for new tenant. AC filter will need to be replaced, 20 by 20 by 1. Power is off at the moment. Water is on. Kitchen cabinets will need to be painted for new tenant. Grease all over them and dirt. Cracks in the ceiling in the living room and in the kitchen will need to be repaired and then painted. Drip pans will need to be replaced, 1 big, 3 small. Oven drawer is off track, will need to be put back on. Also, vinyl in the kitchen is ripped, will need to be replaced or patched. Sprinkler or nozzle is loose in the kitchen, will need to be tightened up. No leaks on the kitchen sink. Also, I will spray the oven before I leave. 1 broken blind in the living room. Please check all bulbs when the power does get turned on to make sure they're all working. Door stop is missing in the bedroom for the closet door. Also, a rack is bent in the closet, may need to be replaced. In the bedroom, for some reason, they screwed the window shut. Please check out. Another broken blind will need to be replaced. Sink stopper works. It's hard to see, but no leaks. Also, cabinets are not aligned when shut. Please check out. Also, please check out the vent in the bathroom when the power does get turned on. Toilet and tub both need to be caulked. Toilet seat is tight. Tub stopper is missing, will need to be replaced. I have turned the breakers off for the power to be turned on. door stop is missing for the back door. For the carpet, please check out. Stains may come out.